Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you something. So basically right here under custom shape tool, we select it. As you can see, we've got many different shapes, but this is in Photoshop 2019. So up to the version Photoshop CC2020 we had all of these different shapes. But if we go to Photoshop 2020, they're gone. We've got some cool shapes in there as well, but these ones here, they're gone. So let's close this and let's go to Photoshop 2020. And I'm just going to bring an image so it looks better, so we don't see this ugly background. So if we come here, just like before, custom shape, and we've got tree leaves, wild animals, boats, flowers, film. It came from the older version. So for instance, as you can see, we've got different ones. These ones here, they're quite cool, to be honest, but sometimes it would be nice to have the old ones as well. So like for instance, we've got the film ones, and as you can see, we can go something like this, and it's quite cool. So if you want to bring them back to Photoshop 2020, I'll show you how you can do it. So I'm going to cancel, close, and if you're using your Windows, you go to your PC, local disk, because it's where I assume you have your Photoshop installed, program files, because it's a 64-bit, so you go there, Adobe, and Photoshop 2020 and Photoshop 2019. So I'm going to double click Photoshop 2019, and I'm going to presets. And right here we have many different presets, and we have the folder custom shapes. So all you have to do is copy this folder into the Photoshop 2020 presets, because as you can see, it doesn't say that. But if you don't want all of the old shapes, all you have to do is very simple. Copy the folder, so back to presets, copy the folder custom shapes somewhere. In my case, I've got it on my desktop, and I'm going to open Photoshop 2020, and it will open. Here we are, and I'm just going to, well, I've got film already installed. Let's confirm that. I know it's only the only one I have, so film. So I can come here and import shapes. Import shapes. I'm going to my desktop, custom shapes, and I can import, let's say, music. No, I don't want music. Frames. Load, and done. It's here. And we've got some frames to work with. So new folder, new document, sorry. And as you can see, we've got it here. So if you want to import all, you can, but obviously the list will be big and probably you don't need all of them. You can just bring one at a time so it looks nice and neat as the normal ones. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with everyone. I'm going to put the link where you can get these custom shapes in case you don't have 2019 installed and you can't be bothered to install it again. So I'll put a link under the description so you can download it. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video with everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.